Hey folks! Let's take a look at this amazing new CADC product. Today I'm talking about this all-inclusive docking station, the CA-T3 HDD, that'll take your efficiency to the next level. I can't wait to show you this remarkable product. Let's get started. CADC's CA-T3 HDD is a Thunderbolt 3 HDMI docking station that's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. It's for people like me who need all different kinds of ports all day long. Be it for personal use or corporate use, or sometimes even gaming. The CA-T3 HDD is the fastest available connection and supports multiple video channels, data, and power without affecting your system performance. Let's take a look at some of the amazing features. The CA-T3 HDD Thunderbolt 3 port supports dual 4K at 60Hz and single 5K at 60Hz display output. It also has 3 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, which give 10 Gbps of transfer speed. There are 2 USB 3.0 fast charging ports to charge smartphones and tablets. 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports provide 40 Gbps of data transfer speed. It has a 3.5mm audio jack and a gigabit Ethernet port. An SD and micro SD card slot supports storage up to 2 terabytes. And a USB-C reversible connector connects with your laptop, so you can access many screens and peripherals. It even has a Kensington lock port to keep your device secure. Of course, this is a simple plug-and-play device which works with Mac OS Sierra or later and Windows 7 or later, and an HDMI resolution up to 8K. The CA-T3 HDD is the first ever docking station to support fully charging Windows PC laptops and the MacBook Pro. This tough and durable aluminum casing has really got it all. It's revolutionary and perfectly sculptured. This is CADC's CA-T3 HDD. Go and pick up yours today, and I'll see you next time with a new product. Thank you!